Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my fall 2021 FabFitFun box. On the top of it is actually an extra item I purchased with the box. If you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, over each season selection there'll be groups of items from which you pick one item, but once in a while there'll be a group where I want two items from, and usually they offer the option to pick an extra item for like $15 or so, and that's what I did with this one. This is the Uncommon James Home Goods Acacia Wood cheese board, and I really wanted a cheese board, so I think I picked the Coach necklace in my original picks, but I was having a tough time deciding, so I thought, just buy the extra. And if I can only get this open, we will take a look at it. Oh, it's really nice. Okay, so it's like a cheese board. It's got two handles on the sides. And let me see what it measures. 15 inches by 9 inches. I thought that was about 15. Hand wash only. Okay. But as you can see, it's a nice thick board. You can see on the edge here. It's about, I'd say about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch thick. It's nice variations in the wood. It's a smaller size cheese board, but it's perfect for like 1 or 2 to just set a little spread up, which is perfect for like fall when you're watching TV, cozy in the house, maybe with a latte or a hot chocolate. Put a little cheese out with it. Yeah, I really like this, so I'm glad I got that extra. But let's get on to the main event. Fall FabFitFun. Okay, let me just get into this box. I brought scissors, so I'm prepared. Maybe. Okay. Oh, just kidding. Let me see if I can open enough to actually get the scissors in there. Yep, sort of. Okay. I think I've got it now. I'm just going to pull this up so I don't knock my camera down. And there we go. Alright, once again I'm just going to pull it up for a second so I can tuck the flaps down. And then we can see inside. So the first item you'll notice is this little note card. It's got a referral code. So it's $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So if you want to check that out, please feel free. And then there's always an issue of the FabFitFun magazine. It'll display a few items like you see my cheese board right here, and you'll see some more stuff from here. And then it's just kind of like a little beauty magazine, tips, fitness, and what have you. And somewhere in here will be a clue about the items for the next season's box, which I always look forward to. So then we also have like the usual, before I get into the big stuff, just a little promotional items. And now let's begin. So the first thing here is from Jenny Bird. It's got a little card telling about it. Remove before swimming, bathing, or showering. Okay, I will make sure to do that. And this is a bracelet. And I won't put it on because I've got a ton of bracelets on already, but you see it has a clasp and an extender, and it's just like a different bunch of chains. And I'll just kind of slide it over my hand so you can picture how it would look on a wrist. I thought it was super cute, and it would go with, it was kind of neutral since it had mixed metals. And it'll go with anything, so there you have it. Jenny Bird bracelet. And I'll tuck that back in its little velvet bag. And carry on. Since we are on the jewelry, let's take a look at this Coach New York set. And I thought this was really cute. I bought it with gifting more in mind than wearing. because I'm really sensitive to earrings. But what this is a set of Coach earrings with a matching pendant. I'll just kind of move that around so you can see how it sparkles. I thought it was really pretty and a really good deal for the amount of money. And Christmas is coming, so I'm already starting to tuck things away. Not going to say who's getting it in case they're watching, but somebody will be getting that. Okay, so the next item here, that's from Vera Bradley, and this one's for me, so I'll just go ahead and rip into it and not be careful about how the packaging looks. And what this is like a little makeup bag. I needed a new one for my purse. Here's the tag. And this is a breast cancer awareness item, so it's like doing good. It's a compact organizer. So it's got like a bigger inner pocket. And then it's also got a side pocket for the stuff that you need to either put separately or that you just want to keep separate. It's got two pockets here and a bigger pocket here. So like maybe I would stuff like some rings or something in the smaller one, or like my small round eyeshadows. I could keep my eyeliner pencils in here, and then here I could keep the bigger things like my blush, my powder, foundation stick, what have you. So this is perfect. It's got lots of pockets to hold what I need, but it's small enough to fit inside of my purses. And then here we have the next item. It's Renewing Body Cleanser, and it was in a grape scent, which I thought was really neat. It's Santorini grapes. I've never tried this brand before, but the grape thing drew me. I stayed at a spa one time in California in Sonoma, and they had all grape products, and I loved it. So this is kind of bringing me back to that, and I will be happy to use this. Okay, so our next thing up, it's like for the season. It is pumpkin spice. I know, yes, there's pumpkin spice everything. And I did pick this before I broke my toes, so I'm going to have to wait on this one for a while. But it is Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-Step. It has 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits, which is awesome. It's pumpkin spice scent. It comes with a sea salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. That sounds just perfect because my feet, after breaking my toes and having to be around in this boot for however many weeks, are going to be tough and ready for a pedicure. But I'm not really going out to pedicure much lately because our COVID is going up. We're considered a super high county, so that's why I'm not really going to the gym or doing pedicure, any of that stuff I might have done in my previous time. It's a strictly DIY experience around here, so I will ride my exercise bike, which is what I broke my toes on in the first place, and I will do my pumpkin spice pedicure as soon as I am ready. And it is also vegan, so for those of you who are vegan or just like to limit your use of animal products, great choice. And then I have one item left, and I think I'm going to need my scissors for this one as well, if I can only figure out where I put them. Somewhere in my pile here, probably right at the bottom. Yep. Okay. So maybe I can just get a little start. And this is Golden Rabbit Enamelware. I've never heard of that brand either, but I'm about to find out about it. And I thought this was cute. It sounds like just the right size for me to make like sauces or like small things for when there's 2 of us here. Just keep that up. And what it is, it's in a little Enamelware Dutch oven. I think it was 2.5 quart. Let me see here. don't think it says on this tag, but I do believe it was 2.5 quart. It's enameled. It's in my favorite blue and white for the kitchen. Nice enamelware. Not too lightweight, but heavy enough. It would just be perfect for just doing like a small soup. Just a little cooking for two, and it's so cute. I really like this. And it's roomy enough if you want to make, like I could do my cranberry sauce in here maybe. Which I love making. But yeah, that is my final item for my fall FabFitFun box. I really like this box. I wasn't as thrilled over the summer box, but this box I had a tough time picking because I liked all of the items so much. So I'm really enjoying this one. I hope the winter box is just as good. I'm super happy with this. If you'd like to try it out, I will drop my referral code down below, and you also saw the coupon at the beginning of the video. So until next time, take care. I hope you have a great rest of the week, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye now.